In this video, I will show you how do you know which third-party apps have access to your Gmail account data. You can check which apps and services you have authorized access to your Google account data on your phone. This is very important. If you give your access to any harmful website or app, you may lose your account also. To find on which app you have given the permission, open the Gmail app, tap on the top right corner on your profile picture and then tap on Manage your Google account. From here, select Security and Sign In. On this page, scroll down to the bottom and you will find your connections to third-party apps and services. Keep track of your connections to third-party apps and services. Here you will find all the apps and services you have given access. Tap on Select All Connections. Here you will find the list of apps and services you have given the access of your Gmail account. If you want to remove any app or services from this list, tap on it. You will find Delete all connections you have with that very services and app. Tap on it and then tap on Confirm. Then a message will pop up. You are no longer connected to that website or app. You can connect it again at any time. By this way you can find, and if you want, you can remove access of any third-party app and services from your Gmail account or Google account. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Please give a like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.